how to use this VPN application here like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application, and down here where you see Smart Connect, this is pretty much where you would select your servers. Down here as well you may see Custom Proxy. That's just a app filtering feature which you pretty much select which application you don't want to get a VPN connection and which application you do. All you have to do, just disable, let's say for example the gallery here, disable this one here, and it will not get the VPN connection. So down here, if I tap on Smart Connect, you can go in the server section and pretty much see all the server that the VPN application offers. So you may need to tap on the circle icon here to refresh the server list, so it pretty much update the server list for you. So here you have the Smart Connect, which I do recommend to use. This application here will select the best connection for you. Although if you don't want to do that, you can pretty much select any one of these servers that you like to use, and let's say pull on here and just select that server. Will ask for connection request and tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. Very easy and very simple to use. And if you still do not understand, comment below and I'll see where can I help you out. But with all that said, guys, see you in the next one.